In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Discord server ID. If you've ever needed to set up a bot, submit a support ticket, or reference a specific server in a developer tool, you'll often be asked for this long numeric ID. Discord hides it by default, so we'll quickly enable a setting that makes copying it easy. Start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app or the browser version. The steps are the same. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon labeled User Settings next to your profile area. Click that gear to open your settings panel. Inside User Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll until you find the section labeled Advanced. This is where Discord groups some power user options. Click Advanced and then turn Developer Mode on. Developer Mode is safe to enable. It simply reveals extra context menu options, including the ability to copy unique IDs for servers, channels, and users. If you only need it for this one task, you can always come back and turn it off later. Now return to your main Discord view and navigate to the server you want the ID for. In the far left column, you'll see a vertical list of server icons. Hover over the correct server icon and right-click it. A context menu will appear. Because Developer Mode is enabled, you'll see an option that says Copy Server ID. Click that. If you don't see the option, double-check that Developer Mode is still on in User Settings under Advanced. The server ID has now been copied to your clipboard. It's a long string of numbers, and that's exactly what you want. You can paste it wherever you need it, into a document, a form, or a chat, using your usual paste shortcut, like Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. If you're saving it for later, consider adding a label so you remember which server it belongs to. To recap, open Discord, go to User Settings, head into Advanced, turn on Developer Mode, right-click the server icon, and select Copy Server ID. That's all there is to it. Keep your IDs handy when working with bots or diagnostics, and feel free to turn Developer Mode off once you're done if you prefer a cleaner interface. Thanks for watching. If this helped, follow along for more quick Discord tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.